today we are going to be learning how to make awesome thumbnails with this website called Pixlr. All you have to do is just look up pixlr.com, it'll come up, and you will be making awesome thumbnails for a YouTube video. So what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, choose Pixlr Editor, and then launch web app. You're going to go to create new image, and then you can name it whatever I want. I'm just going to leave it untitled for just because. And then we're going to set it to width of 1280, first number, and then the second number is going to be 720. And make sure to make it transparent. And this will fit your YouTube video for the thumbnail you want. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the internet, look up a background. I have one preset already. And we're going to, you know what, let's change it to that one. So we need it to be bigger than 1280 and 720. So this one might be the best. Yes, so 1280 and 800, just perfect. So we're going to do a right click, save image as, and then we're going to call it, let's do blue checkers. Not really checkers, but, and then you can save it to pictures or wherever you want, and then make sure it's a JPEG or a PNG image. It will go down to your taskbar, and that's the one I had before, and then make sure it's the one you have. You go back to the editor, make sure it's on the moving around thing. You're going to go to File, Open Image, and then you're going to go to whatever image you had. Open, and then you're going to Command A to select all of it, and then Command C to copy it. You're going to want to click back onto that thumbnail that you had, and then do Command V, which will paste it back on. So now you do not need this one. So I do not want to save that. So there's your background, and you can add text by going to this little A down here, and then right here you can click wherever you want. Change the font, so I'm going to make it right here, and then we're going to do how to make awesome thumbnails. So as you see, it goes off the image, so you're going to do a return and then come down, and it will automatically go down, and then it shows in this little text box right here and then that's what it's going to show. So we're going to finish it off. I like to use all caps because it's really bold. And then you can move it around with this. Here we go. And then you can make it whatever color you want. Let's make it orange. And then you can change wherever you want. And that will show in the background whatever you want. And then you can change the style. Can make a bold, italic, bold, italic. I'm going to make a bold, italic. And then we can change the font. So let's go up to here. And then you can change wherever you want it on the image. So I'm going to press OK. And then we are going to, if you want to add another image to your thumbnail, you basically do the same thing. And let's look up an awesome face with all caps. Let's do that one. And then we're going to do the same thing. So right click, save image as, and then awesome face, save. So there we go, it goes down to our taskbar, online photo editor, and then we can change what layer we have. So this is this layer, and we can choose where to put it. So if it's too low, we can move it up. And that's the beauty of this. You can change whatever layer you want. But the bad thing about you have to know what layer you're on. So you can't just go and select the image. You have to actually go to the layer and then select it. So since we've saved that image, we're going to go to Open Image, like I said. Awesome face. Open, and then we're going to do the same thing. So Command A, make sure it's on that, Command A, Control A. Oh, sorry, Control A. What am I saying? And then Control C to copy. And then we're going to go down to here and then do Control V to paste. So to remove the background, you want to go to Edit and then Image, Layer. Well, to move it, you can do Free Transform. That will make it bigger. So there we go. We can move it around. Boom. And you can remove the background. So you want to apply the changes to that. So that makes another layer. And you want to you need to crop it. There we go. Crop. And you can actually, you know what? The best thing about it, you can go deselect and you can see whatever you want. That's not what I want. I mean, we don't need to do that. But we can go to Image, crop and whatever you want out, crop whatever you don't want out. So that's how you make awesome thumbnails. And to save it, you go to Save, wherever you want. So thumbnail. There we go. And then quality, make it 100 because that's the best quality. And then we'll show to Pixlr library or my computer, whatever you want. If you have a lot of thumbnails, then go to Pixlr library. But if you don't, just start off with my computer. So you press OK, and then save, and then you can go to your video manager, and you can select a video that you want. Go to custom thumbnail, and you open this thumbnail. So here it is, and then it will upload. And there it is. And then you save it. Go back to Video Manager. And it will show up as your thumbnail. Wrong video. Okay, but it will show up. So thanks for watching. That's how you make awesome